In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a copper collapse today. The September copper contract finished the day down almost 2.75%. 4.2090 was approximate settlement, down 2.73%, down 2.9% on the lows at 4.2015. High side of things, only 36 basis points, or about 1/3% better at 4.3425. Worst day for copper since July 19th, when copper was down 2.81%. Copper is now working on its second down week in the last four. We've had a China economic decline. It's not dramatic, but a lot of the Chinese data has been weaker. And because of that, China actually confirmed that their copper imports fell for a fourth straight month in July. So that demand loss right there is weakening copper and certainly isn't putting a floor anywhere in this industrial metal, or really any of the industrial metals lately, because it is a pandemic related weakness. It's overall related to some like strategic lockdowns within China, but the weakness overall has shown up in their data. Now, Goldman Sachs actually suggested that the weakness in the Chinese demand is directly opposite of the strength we saw in copper with the Chinese demand when they recovered from the first wave of the pandemic. So that might actually be developing. But not only that, there could be struggling supply in the near future if the virus actually goes and hits some of the copper producing countries. So there's a couple of factors that could drive copper higher, but for now, copper's working on its second down week in the last four, as I mentioned already. And then, of course, we have dollar strength, inverse relationship between industrial metals and the dollar. The dollar had its best day since mid-July, up 27 basis points against the yen, over 0.5% better against the euro, and over 0.75% better against the British pound. All of that participating and keeping a headwind in the industrial metals sector. Copper finishes the day down almost 2.75%.